back to Joda Science. In our last chemistry video, someone asked us what it means for something to be acidic or basic. Well, in this video we'll be showing you exactly how to tell and look for the acidity of a solution. So one of the first ways you can tell something is an acid or a base is based on taste. Acids are generally very sour and bases are generally very bitter. You might see this in some of the fruits you eat, like oranges. Citrus fruits are very sour because they have acid in them.
So should I taste things to find out if they're acidic or basic?
Well, we don't recommend trying to taste things if they're acidic or basic because that can be very dangerous. If you're in a lab setting, never taste any solution if you don't know whether or not it's dangerous or exactly what it is.
Then how do you see it if something is acidic or basic?
Well, scientists can test for the pH in order to figure out the acidity of a solution. The first way you might see people testing for pH is by using litmus paper. So this is litmus paper, or also known as the universal indicator paper. When you put it into a solution, it's going to tell you whether it's acidic or basic based on how it reacts with the indicator. So it'll change the color of the piece of paper.
What's an indicator?
Well, an indicator is something that changes color when it comes into contact with an acid or base. In the case of litmus paper, it'll be red when it's in acid, and it'll turn more towards purple and blue if it's more basic. We can check the acidity levels of this lemon juice using litmus paper. So in the last video we had, someone asked whether or not lemons are acidic or basic. So we can try using the pH litmus paper on this lemon juice. And as you can see, the litmus paper changed to the color of red. The type of color and the deepness of the red or blue matches up to the pH scale listed on this package. So as you can see, it's between a pH of 1 and 2, indicating that it is a pretty acidic solution.
Cool! Are there any other ways that you can test for pH?
Of course, there's another type of indicator that we use in experiments called phenolphthalein, and that turns basic solutions pink. However, since we've seen that lemons are acidic, phenolphthalein wouldn't have any effect on the color of this solution.
Wait, but how do you get a specific pH number?
Well, in order to get a specific pH number, you need to use something called a pH sensor. So this is a pH sensor, and the pH sensor is a special tool that can easily tell us the specific pH number of a solution. So in this case, let's try it out with the lemon juice. So all you really have to do is put the sensor into the solution. And as you can see, it'll tell you the pH on the screen of your computer. In this case, you can see that it is a pH around 2.2.
Wow!
So we hope you learned a lot today about how to find the acidity levels of different acids and bases using litmus paper, phenolphthalein, and pH sensors. Just a reminder that whenever you guys are always in the lab, stay safe when you're working with chemicals that you don't know, and always make sure you always have an adult with you at all times when you're doing science experiments. So click here to see our first video on what it means to be an acid or a base, and click here to see our other Joda Science videos.